Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus 10T. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and enter lock screen password. Confirm, and as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric, and pattern. Let's start with numeric. Enter use a different password type, and now you can select between 4-digit and 4 to 16-digit numeric password. Also, at default, you can select 6-digit password. Let's stick with the 6-digit, but because basically they are the same, but with different length. Now let's use it to unlock the phone, and enter alphanumeric password. Now enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. And let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern. And again, let's use it to unlock the phone. And now we can go to fingerprint. Select add fingerprint. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, you can add face. Simply select add face, and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, and I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.